Ever wondered if you could just snag some Bitcoin right inside your Kraken wallet? It's a question I get a lot, and it's a super important one, especially if you're new to the crypto world or just looking to simplify your Bitcoin buying process. You've got this Kraken wallet, maybe you're already using it for other crypto, and the idea of adding Bitcoin directly seems convenient, right? Well, in this video, we're going to dive deep into that question. Can you buy Bitcoin on Kraken Wallet? We'll cover everything you need to know, from the straightforward answer to the nitty-gritty details, including how to do it, any potential fees, and even some alternative ways to buy Bitcoin if Kraken Wallet isn't the perfect fit for you. So, let's get straight to the point. Yes, you absolutely can buy Bitcoin on Kraken Wallet. It's one of the core functionalities of the platform. Kraken is a well-established and reputable cryptocurrency exchange, and their wallet is integrated directly into their exchange platform. This makes buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies a pretty seamless experience. You're not dealing with separate wallets or complex transfer processes. It's all contained within the Kraken ecosystem. Now, how exactly do you do it? Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to have a Kraken account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to head over to Kraken's website and sign up. The registration process typically involves providing some personal information, verifying your identity, KYC, know your customer, and setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Security is paramount in the crypto world, so don't skip this step. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection to your account, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Once your account is set up and verified, you'll need to deposit some funds into your Kraken account. Kraken offers various deposit methods, which might include bank transfers, debit cards, credit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. The availability of these methods can vary depending on your location and the regulations in your region. Be sure to check Kraken's website for the most up-to-date information on available deposit options in your area. Keep in mind that different deposit methods might have different fees associated with them, so it's always a good idea to compare the options and choose the most cost-effective one for you. After your funds have cleared and are available in your Kraken account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the trading section of the Kraken platform. You'll typically see a trading pair for Bitcoin, which is usually represented as BTC/USD or BTC/Euro, depending on the currency you're using. This trading pair indicates that you're buying Bitcoin with US dollars or euros, respectively. You'll then have a few different order types to choose from. A market order is the simplest type. It allows you to buy Bitcoin at the current market price. This is usually the fastest way to buy, but you might end up paying a slightly higher price due to market fluctuations. A limit order, on the other hand, allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches your specified limit price. This gives you more control over the price you pay, but it might take longer for your order to be filled, or it might not be filled at all if the market doesn't reach your limit. Once you've chosen your order type and entered the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, you can review your order details and confirm the purchase. Kraken will then execute your order, and the Bitcoin will be credited to your Kraken wallet. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about fees. Kraken, like any exchange, charges fees for its services. These fees can vary depending on factors like your trading volume, the type of order you place, and the currency you're using. It's crucial to be aware of these fees before you make a purchase, as they can impact the overall cost of your Bitcoin. Kraken's website has a detailed fee schedule that you can consult to understand the exact fees that apply to your transactions. While buying Bitcoin on Kraken Wallet is generally straightforward, there are some alternative ways to acquire Bitcoin if Kraken doesn't quite meet your needs. For example, you could use other cryptocurrency exchanges, some of which might offer different features, lower fees, or a wider selection of cryptocurrencies. Peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms are another option, where you can buy Bitcoin directly from other individuals. However, P2P platforms often come with higher risks, so it's essential to exercise caution and do your research before using them. You can even buy Bitcoin with cash at certain Bitcoin ATMs, although these usually come with higher fees. So, is buying Bitcoin on Kraken Wallet the best option for everyone? Well, it depends. If you're already using Kraken for other crypto transactions and you're comfortable with their platform, it's a convenient and integrated way to buy Bitcoin. However, it's always wise to compare different options and consider factors like fees, security, and ease of use before making a decision. One important thing to remember is that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly in a short period. This means that the value of your Bitcoin investment can go up or down. It's crucial to understand these risks before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Finally, security is paramount in the crypto world. Protecting your Bitcoin is your responsibility. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Never share your private keys or wallet information with anyone. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.